Funke Adeni Richa is here to help you achieve success in life by actualizing your God-given potentials through personal development and relationship enhancement. Join us and be blessed through the following forums: Beauty for Ashes, Marital Bliss, and Funke's Family Forum. You'll be glad you did.
Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty for Ashes with Funke. Today we are going to be considering a subject that I've titled Mara to Sweetness. What is Mara? Mara depicts bitterness, sorrow, pains, oppositions of life, challenges, and all the negativities of life. This reminds me of the story of a woman in the Bible called Naomi. Naomi left her home country to another land with her husband and 2 sons. After some years, Naomi lost her husband and 2 sons, and she was left alone with her 2 daughters-in-law. She decided to take a step to return to her homeland, and she left with her daughter-in-law called Ruth. As they arrived in the city, the people of the land came out to welcome them, and they asked, "Is this not Naomi?" She replied and said, "Please don't call me Naomi, call me Mara, because the Lord has dealt bitterly with me. I left full, but I've come back home empty." Another story. There was a river called Mara. Because the water in this river was bitter, and the people of the land could not drink from it. By divine instruction, a wood was cut and threw inside the river, and the water became sweet, and it was good for the people to drink from. Today, I just bring you this message, that your Mara can be turned to sweetness. About a year ago, my mom passed on to glory, and I can tell you that it was a period of Mara for me. The pain of separation, the pain of not hearing from her again, the pain of not seeing her anymore. It was a time of sorrow for me. But after some time, I had to talk to myself. She would not want me to continue in this state of Mara. She would not want me to continue in this state of sorrow. What would she like me to do? I asked myself. I know she would want me to arise and fulfill purpose. I know she would want me to arise and be that woman that God has called me to be. And so I look inwards and start on this journey of turning every Mara into sweetness. I look inward, and I told myself I have to start actualizing the potentials that lie idle within me. And that's why you are watching this today. I'm telling you, I don't know what your Mara may be. It can be turned into sweetness. Your Mara could be the loss of a loved one, just like mine, your husband, wife, a child, friend, or a loved one. And ever since you have been in sorrow, it looks as if there's no hope anymore. There is hope for you. Your Mara can be turned into sweetness. Ask yourself this question: would my loved one want me in this state of sorrow? Would she or he want me to be in a state of depression? Definitely not. And that's why you need to arise, to begin to turn that situation into something you will look back on and say, yes, though I went through this, but I was able to come back, to come out of it a better person. Your own Mara could be loss of job, loss of a relationship, loss of investment. It could be sickness in the body. It could be rejection, oppositions, and all that. Whatever your Mara may be, is a time of pain. You are going through pain, through sorrow. That situation can be turned into sweetness. Just like I said earlier on, a wood was cut and threw inside the river. You have to cut the wood. What is your own wood? Your own wood may be, you have to start that course that you have been postponing all this while in order to improve yourself. It could be to acquire a new skill. Your own wood could be, you have to let go of that person that have left you and start a new one. Your own wood. It could be that you need to retrace your step. The decision that Naomi took was not an easy one. She had to go back. Maybe your own. You have to go back to something. Maybe to an idea. Your abandoned project. Maybe to that relationship. Your own retracing your step could be, you have to just give another chance to what you started before. Whatever your Mara may be, The good news I'm bringing to you today is that it can be turned to sweetness. But if you don't arise and do something about it, if you don't arise and cut that wood and throw it into that river, nothing is going to happen. So let's get ourselves into this challenge. Let's cut the wood. Let's throw it into the river. And I'll show you that every Mara will be turned into sweetness for you. So please come along with me in this journey, in turning every Mara in and around us into sweetness. And you'll be glad you did. Thank you so much. My name is Funke Adeniyi Ibrahim, and I'll tell you that in whatever you do, please be good and godly. God bless you.